What's up guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to start affiliate marketing on TikTok in 2021. Hey, my name is Praksar from the futurepassiveincome.com. In this channel I will show you the different ways to make money online with affiliate marketing. So if you are new to this channel then please consider subscribe. If you want to know my number one recommendation to build the full-time passive income business, then click the first link in the description below. And if you stay until the end of this video, then I will show you my bonus method that can even make you more money online. So guys, now let's begin with the video. First, I will talk about the TikTok affiliate marketing formula. As you can see on the screen, first is high quality traffic that you will get it from a TikTok. For that, you need to post 3 to 4 videos consistency each and every day, which is related to your niche. After that, with the help of an affiliate link, you need to send the traffic to the affiliate bridge page over here. But what is a bridge page, guys? Bridge page is the connection between the product and the consumer. I cannot explain you in a detail about the bridge page because it is a very huge topic. But in my upcoming videos, I will talk about the bridge page and also teach you how to create the bridge page. After that, you need to select a high converting product. So the product which has a good conversion rate and which is very good for the customer in your niche. And lastly, you need to select a high paying affiliate program which can give you a good commission. So this is the whole success formula of TikTok affiliate marketing formula. So guys, today we will see some of the accounts how they are doing affiliate marketing on TikTok. Before that, I will tell you the step-by-step process of affiliate marketing. Step 1. Select the niche. Before creating a TikTok account, you need to select the specific niche. If you have more than one niche in your account, then you will not target your audience and it will not convert it into leads. So for example, if you are posting e-business videos, then after few days after you are posting a health and fitness videos, then it will not target your audience. So step 2 is to find the high converting products. So in my opinion, start promoting the digital product or a digital courses instead of physical product because you will get a less commission in a physical product. And don't focus on the bridge page because you will get a clickable link after 1k followers. Step 3 is to do research your content. For that, you need to search other accounts on a TikTok which is related to your niche. Try to learn from their accounts and videos and create your content. Post at least three videos a day so that it can reach to more audience. So the first account which I am sharing with you guys is Amazonolic. You can see on the screen the guy named Ryan who has created this account. So guys, what he is doing, he is just purchasing the products from Amazon and he is just creating the videos. He is just showing about the benefits, about the use, about the product so that it can attract the audience. You can see over here 9.3 million likes and 462k followers. So you can just imagine how much traffic he is getting. So this product is about LED bag. So if I want to purchase this product, so where should I have to go? If I'm going into his bio, this is a link. If I'm clicking on this, it will redirect to his website. So it's very hard to find that product. Amazon products you need see all. Okay, if I'm clicking on this, okay, he has created his Amazon store inside the Amazon website. So the products which he is making the videos, he can directly put the affiliate link into this page so that we can find out this is the product. So if I am purchasing this product, then he will get a commission. So this is also a nice method to do the Amazon affiliate marketing. Second account is a Jungle Badger. It is also similar to the first account. They are also just posting the videos related to the product. But what is different from first account? I like it very much because the website they have made is very simple and you can find all the products. You can see I'm clicking on this link, it will redirect to this page. You can see over here there are many categories over here: TikTok, home, smart, life, fitness, outdoors. So there is one category of TikTok. So if you are seeing on the account, you can find out tons of videos in a sequence, and if I'm going into the website, I'm also finding out all the products in a sequence. So it's very easy to find the products which audience are looking for. So if I'm clicking on this product, then and if I'm clicking on this, they have put the description about the product also, which is very nice, and you can see some of the products in a suggested also. So it is very nice. And if I'm clicking on this button, then it will redirect to the website where I can purchase the product. So it's so they are not only doing the Amazon affiliate program, but they are also doing some more affiliate programs like CJ, Sarah Sale, so that you can just increase your sales, you can increase varieties of products so that it can attract the more customer. So next example is dog training. You can see this is an account named dog training. They have put the videos which is related to the dog videos or a dog training videos. You can see over here they are getting so much of traffic. They have just put only few videos and they are getting so much of traffic. You can see 1.4 million likes and 54.9k followers. So how they are doing the affiliate marketing? If I'm clicking on this button, then it will redirect to this page. This is about the dog training program. So it's very nice, and it is also a product of a ClickBank, so you can get more commission, and it is a digital product. So it's very nice way to do the affiliate marketing, and you can just increase your revenue. So in my opinion, it's a very nice example to start the affiliate marketing. You are not you I'm just sharing with you guys an example like they are doing the dog training videos. You can do any kind of a videos, but just stick to your niche so that you can don't misguide the audience. So last example is woodworking world. You can see over here they have 73.7k followers and 364 likes, so which is very huge, and they have created so many videos. So you can see guys, they have created all the videos which is related to the woodworking, so they have stick to that niche. So it's very easy to target the audience who are interested in. So let's click on the affiliate link. So this is a very nice landing page, access to 16,000 woodworking plans. So if I'm clicking on this, it will redirect to this product. So it is also a ClickBank product. So it is very nice. So it is also a digital product. And if I am clicking on this, what it says, start building an amazing sets the easier way with the collection of a 12,000 set plans. It's very nice, and it is also a ClickBank product. So the digital course and the digital products are very nice to attract the audience. So in this manner you can do the affiliate marketing or start the affiliate marketing on TikTok. After watching this video, you will get an idea how to start affiliate marketing on TikTok. If you find the information which is very valuable, then please do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So guys, I have told you at the beginning of this video that at the end of this video, I will tell you my bonus method that can make even more money online, which is just first link in the description below. Just enter your details and get an instant access. That has changed my life and it can change yours too. So guys, goodbye, be safe and see you next time.